Billcom App Automation App. The pros, the cons. Billcom is one of the most widely used app automation platforms, but most people get this wrong if they think it's just for sending checks electronically. Billcom handles invoices, approvals, payments, and reporting all in one platform. On the pros side, Billcom automates invoice capture, approval workflows, and payments to vendors via ACH, check, or card. Integration with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSite ensures data accuracy and simplifies reconciliation. Users can track payment statuses in real time, set up recurring payments, and reduce manual data entry. The platform is also known for its intuitive interface, which makes onboarding new team members fast and simple. On the con side, some businesses note that Billcom's pricing can be steep for smaller companies, especially those with low invoice volumes. While the platform integrates with ERPs, certain custom workflows may require additional setup. Reporting is solid, but may lack advanced analytics needed by larger enterprises. In conclusion, Billcom App Automation App is a strong choice for businesses looking to streamline accounts payable, reduce errors, and gain visibility into payments. Its automation, integration capabilities, and ease of use make it particularly effective for growing companies that need reliable, efficient app processes.